Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi espresso and coffee machine. We replaced the fuse in this machine by taking off the bottom and doing a continuity test and finding where the bad fuse was. So let me go ahead and press this up to show hot water coming out. So there's the hot water that brewed into the basket. You can see it steaming here. And then let's go ahead and test the espresso function. Test the steam first. Just using that's the espresso. You can see we get nice strong water, hot water from there. And then we also get nice strong steam. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.